Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can delete rows and column in Google Sheets. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have prepared my data in my Google Sheets and I'm going to show you how we can delete row and delete column. So if we want to delete row, we just need to select the row we want to delete. For example, I'm going to delete this row. We just need to select it like this. You can tap on this number. If you want to select more than one row, you just need to do selecting like this. You can tap and hold on the first row, then you can drag it. Okay, then you can right click on your mouse or touchpad, then click on delete rows, just like this. Okay, and if you want to delete the column, you just need to select the column you want to delete. For example, I'm going to delete this column. We can right click on it and click on delete column. Okay, now it's done. And I'm going to practice it one more time to delete column. I'm going to delete two columns. Right click on it and click on delete columns. That's easy, right? Okay guys, and that's how we can delete rows and column in Google Sheets. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.